guys, so let's get started here. 3 shapes. They're identical. I'm going to just show you how you can play around with them and come up with different characters. Here I got a guy looking straight on at us. Putting in the eyes. And there, I'm just flushing it out. Now, understand I'm just working within that shape, and this is just a fun exercise that you can do, but you do want to focus. It's not like it's just doodling. Go the chin in. And here I'm just flushing it out a bit more. Put in the hair. Flush out the eyebrows. And there we go. So now we'll start with this one. In my imagination, I'm just thinking of a little character. Now I'm thinking about, maybe a caregiver, a nurse. And the main point of this is just to show you what you can do with the exact same shapes. You can do, like, I would say, endless designs within the same shape. Here we go. Skirt. Put in some leg. I'm going to have her walking a little bit. Taking a step. And we'll say she's carrying a tray with some food or something for a patient. Alright, I'm going to make just another headshot. But a different character. Notice where I place the nose, the eyes, putting head on top of body. Bring the mouth up more so than the first one. Create a chin right there. Little ears. Trying to figure out what I do with this hair. Want to make it more dimensional. Couple lines show the direction of the hair. Okay, now I'm going to put in some just quick tones and values. Fill in some big shapes, break it up. Her belt, shoes. Now I'm just putting in some shadow. Very quick shorthand. Tie. Hope this helps you guys. This is just what you can do just to experiment and open up your range. You don't need to put the tones in like I'm doing here. I'm just doing that for fun. Come in, finish off the jacket. And all this does, by me putting in these values and shadows, it just makes it more three-dimensional, but in a very quick shorthand approach. Understand his light is coming from screen right. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to put this in shadow. The character's right side of the face in shadow. Okay. A little darker value for the hair. Inside of the ears, round. Let me fix this. Decided to change the shadow, make it go connect to the chin. Quick cast shadow, that helps to really put your characters on the plane of the ground.